Hi, my name is Judy Kessinger. I'm the creator and the owner of the Fit Nice system. I designed this system to make your sewing easier. You know, it's a lot more fun if it's easy. I have two patterns. That's all you need is two patterns. One for the top and one for the pants. The top pattern you're going to use knit for the first one, and then I show you how to change it into woven. The bottom, you're going to use woven to begin with. That's because I don't want you to cheat, and then you can change it into knit. Now, a lot of people think since I'm saying the word system, this is something pattern you're going to have to print out and scotch tape it all together. No, you don't. When you open this up, you're going to find a DVD and a full-size pattern to work with. So there's no taping anything together. You're ready to go. Let me show you what that pattern is going to look like. When I open this up, and I'm just going to open up the pants pattern. The top pattern is the same thing. It's a full-size pattern. Can you see? You're going to have a full-size back and a full-size front. So you're ready to make your garment. Now, one of the things that I hear the most, and I do hear this over and over and over again, I can't measure myself. Yes, you can. You need two things to measure yourself. A tape measure, which none of us like, and a full-length mirror. If you don't own a full-length mirror, please buy one. How in the world are you ever going to see if you like the length of your pants if you don't have a full-length mirror? So we need a scrap of paper. Go get a piece of paper, and we're just going to write down some measurements. We don't have to do all of the measurements. This is really simple to do. Now you're looking in a mirror, okay? Take your tape measure, and you're going to put it around the fullest part of your bust, and you're not going to pull it tight, but you're also not going to be able to get in and out of this. You want it pretty snug. Hold your finger there. Look in the mirror. Hold your finger there. That's how big your bust is. Want to know how big your waist is? Again, put that tape measure around you. Mark your waist. Write that on a piece of paper. Then you want to take your tummy measurement. Where's your tummy? I bet you know if you look in that full-length mirror, there's your tummy. And some people's tummy is bigger than what they sit on. I don't care. You need to know them both. And then you want to go down and you want to measure your hip. Now, is this just really important to do this in 1/4 of an inches, 3/8? No. Round it up to the inch. Reason being, this is only a tape measure. These are only numbers. It has nothing to do with your comfort or your fit, really. This is just a guide so you can draw your pattern. So I give you the excuse. You don't have to worry about the numbers. Now, if you don't like the numbers, write them in pencil, and then you can erase them if you want to. How do you do the length of your pants? The length of your pants is really simple. Take a retractable tape measure, stand on it like this, go up to your waist, hold your finger. If I'm looking at this right now, I get 40 inches. It's going to tell you on the pattern to add 4 inches to that measurement. That's because we need to know the crotch depth, and when we pull and pull and pull, we need to have extra inches. Do you need to know the front of you and the back of you? Yes, eventually, but you don't need to know it right now to make that pattern. You do need to know the width of your shoulder. Is it detrimental to sewing? Absolutely not. And don't say to me, I have really narrow shoulders or I have really broad shoulders. We're going to test this garment. You're going to sew the shoulders. You're going to put it over your head and look in a mirror again. Take a marking pen and mark exactly where that garment should be sewn. And that's a really simple thing to do. Again, watch the video because I've done all of that on the video. So yes, you can measure yourself. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you've seen how simple and easy this system is to work with. All of the products you've seen in the video are available on my website or a link on my website. Please make sure while you're there to check out the classes to see where I am. Join me on Facebook under Fit Nice, and be sure to join the Fit Club. Thank you.